Really looks fire. Like, look at how silky my hair is. Like, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes getting off can make it grow. Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Jay, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for sliding through, and if you are returning, thanks for coming to kick it with your girl once more. As you can tell by today's title, we are doing yet again another silk press tutorial, and this time it's different. I think I cracked the code on the whole thing. You guys, this time we spent less time doing our hair, we put less heat on our hair, and we are shiny, we are bouncy, we have a volume. Like, is that not what you want in silk press? Is that not what you want? So I was able to put all of my other things that I've learned doing my hair together into one and added one special product, and I achieved one of the, like, literally the most flowy silk presses that I've had, like, ever. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve these results, make sure that you stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl before you go. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video now. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I'm starting on my hair. It's kind of like in a clip. I have to wash my face, but my hair is not like in the sections that it normally is in. You guys, if you have seen any of my other videos, then you know, like, I'm like the section queen. I keep my hair completely in sections throughout the whole process of doing my hair, but I decided to switch it up because I wanted to try something new. So today I'm going to be using a lot of body on my hair instead of using like the traditional you know, other products that you use before you blow dry your hair. Not heat protecting, because I'm still gonna use that, but I'm gonna use a lot of body. I was thinking about it. You remember when we were young and we would before we sat under the dryer for any reason, they would put setting lotion on our hair and it would give us so much bounce, so much volume, things like that. So I was like, I'm gonna try it. And so I'm putting it into the 4 sections because my hope is like that is going to, you know, just make it easier when it comes to detangling my hair. I still do not want to have to detangle my hair once it's dry, because I feel like that's where you get a lot of breakage. Yeah, so we have the first section here. So I'm just going to take some of this setting lotion. Again, this is a lot of body with coconut and shea oils. My hope is that it doesn't make my hair feel like really product-y, because you guys know I hate that. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and give it a go. So I'm going to take like a good 2 or 3 pumps, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on my hair. And so now that I have that on there, I'm going to take my dandy paddle brush, and you guys, I am trying to maneuver away from that green one because it's missing bristles. It's just completely needs to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to detangle my hair, and I found that the setting lotion made that a little bit easier as well. And so now we're just going to put these in some pretty large twists. And I think on the other side I'm going to do it the opposite way. I think I'm going to brush my hair out first and then put the setting lotion on there. So now I'm going to do this section back here. Couple pumps. I just remember growing up and just having a head full of foaming lotion before you got under the dryer. Like, it would literally be all in your ears. Honorary mention, I did forget to say that I'm going to put some of this setting lotion, not setting lotion, the wrapping lotion on my edges as well. And I bought some Junior Rapid styling strips, you know, the little strips that you put on. And I'm actually going to lay my edges down a little bit because I kind of want my edges to, like, I want the lotion to set it in the direction I want my edges to, like, lay. And I used to put setting lotion on every single day on my edges back when it was where like my edges all fluffy or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, we're just gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. And so now that I have it like this, I'm just gonna leave it on there for 10 minutes. You'll know when it's dry, because by the time it's dry, this is just not gonna be looking wet anymore. But I look completely crazy right now, but I think we should just trust the process. And yeah, we'll be back once we're done. And so far my hair feels really, really soft. I cannot even complain, but we'll see how this goes. Be back in 10. All right, I'm back, and I took the wrap off. It's been about 15 minutes, and I have to say my hair literally feels so soft. It feels like a dream. So I'm about to go ahead and start the process of blow drying my hair. I have blow dried my hair on camera so many times I cannot even count. So if you are wanting to see my blow dry process, I'll link a video up here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll come back and we'll see what my hair feels like. By the way, I am going to be using some heat protectant. So I'm going to be using the Design Essentials heat protectant. It's the step 3 of the blowout collection. I swear by this. It says shake it, so I'm gonna shake it. I swear by this. It's the Agave and Lavender collection. I did a whole tutorial on this, and I literally rave about this in every single video where I'm talking about my hair. So you guys should know. But I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use a whole lot because I want to see what this Line Body is gonna do for me. Blow drying my hair literally used to make me cringe so bad because I just felt like it took so long. My arms would be tired and this and that. But once I learned that if you strategically plan out how you're gonna blow dry your hair, such as I like to part my hair into 4 parts and then blow dry each section individually, I feel like you're just killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You're detangling your hair and blowing it dry at the same time, and the better that you blow your hair, the easier it is going to be to straighten your hair. So I always recommend take your time when you're blowing out your hair. Don't try to skip any steps or anything like that, and I promise you, you're gonna see the results in your silk press every single time. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the flat iron process. I'm gonna be using my good old faithful Remington today. I have been promoting this flat iron since I even started doing YouTube for real. And the reason being is because I like it. I actually like it. I got a brand new flat iron. It's a Baby Bliss, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna continue to promote this flat iron because I want you guys to know that you can have nice looking hair for cheap. You literally do not have to spend $1 million just to have good looking hair. So I'm going to show you guys each and every time how I'm able to work and twerk my hair with this little $29.99 flat iron every single time. So far, you guys, my hair feels so good. Like, I cannot believe I didn't do this before. Wow, it feels really good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And so you guys, like I said, have probably seen me flat iron my hair like 1,000,000 times, but I'm just gonna show y'all my technique one last time. So I don't know if I mentioned my flat iron is gonna be on 450. I put it on the highest setting, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and chase it with my comb. Learning the chase method is literally going to be a game changer. Okay, do y'all already see the shine? Do y'all see the shine already? Okay, Lotta Body, let me find out. Question, do y'all follow that, have y'all seen that creator that made that video? I think she's from like Africa or something like that. I don't know where in Africa she's from, but she was saying, she did like a video, the six things that Americans do that we think are crazy, like they think are crazy. And they were talking about how it's crazy that we wash our hair in like our kitchen sinks and stuff like that. And so I was just like so curious, like what makes that so crazy? Please comment. If you are from like a different country and you're watching this, please tell me why it is so weird that we wash our hair in kitchen sinks. Like, I don't understand what the big deal is. God forbid I spend hundreds of dollars on cleaning products each year to clean my sink. You know, like, I don't understand what the big commotion is, honestly. But I just thought that that was so funny because I'm like, if I wash my hair in my shower every single time that I wash my hair, I would have hair in my drain the size of golf balls. Like, I literally cannot wash my hair in my shower each time. Oh, and for sure not my daughter. Like, where am I supposed to wash my kid's hair? In the shower? I'm supposed to get in the shower with her? It's crazy. She's bigger than me. How I see it, my mama wash my hair in the sink, so I'm gonna wash my baby hair in the sink. And guess what? The food tastes just good. Like, what is it that, who is it nasty for? Is it nasty for the food or is it nasty for the person's head? Like, I'm confused which part of it is disgusting. I don't know. Okay, so far, do you see the shine? Lotta freaking Body. Are you kidding me? Oh, I think I just cracked the code. I think I just cracked the code. Oh my God, my hair looks so good. Design Essentials and a lot of body together. I cracked the code. If you're a representative from Design Essentials, like, this is your last chance today. You have infinite chances, but like, sponsor your girl, because what? Like, are you kidding me? So the first side is done, and y'all, this literally looks fire. Like, look at how silky my hair is. Like, oh my gosh. Who would have thought that the whole time I was just missing some lot of body? Okay, and what's crazy is, you know, the longer that your hair is, the harder it is to, like, you know, achieve really voluptuous hair, because I mean, the longer parts of your hair are typically a little bit thinner, but my hair literally has so much volume. Like this, wow, this is like really good. It's definitely time for me to get a trim again. You can kind of tell in this area here. I would say probably even taking off about a little bit more than an inch. We'll see about that, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair so you guys can see the final product. So far, I'm absolutely like blown away. I can't believe like all I was missing was some wrapping lotion. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other sides, and then we'll be back with the final view, the final product in like 15 minutes.
No.
Sorry, y'all, I can't breathe. We gotta talk a minute. Whew.
So what I just did right now literally just blew me. I just combed my hair and this came out. And this may not look like a lot to you guys. I don't know if you can see. This may not look like a lot to you guys, but this is about, I want to say like 30 pieces of hair that are now going to have split ends. This is why it's important that you really detangle your hair before you flat iron it, because you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Like, that is very annoying. Because now look, see how it's a little thin? When you're growing your hair really long, you want to try to avoid as much breakage as you possibly can, and I just broke a whole lot of hair basically. So I'm not happy about that. I kid you not, like, a cut is coming soon, because I just do not like the way that my ends are looking. Like, what? I cannot. Okay, so here's where we are. You guys, I gotta say, my hair feels literally so good. It feels like it just feels thicker. I love that, because sometimes when you straighten your hair a lot, it can start feeling a little bit thin. So I love that it feels a whole lot thicker. I definitely believe that I need to get a trim. I'll show you guys the ends in just a second, but I absolutely love my hair. I gotta say, I recommend using Lotta Body. 10 out of 10. This was literally a game changer. I think I cracked the code, not even gonna hold you. Do I think that it has to be Lotta Body? No, I think you can use just about any setting or wrapping lotion. The strips, I think, really did help with my edges, because I didn't have to get close to my edges, you know? And typically we gotta get close to our edges and straighten them. I didn't even get over here. Like, I literally just straightened my hair. So I think that's gonna help with not, you know, burning your edges to death as well. And then also, I remember when I was putting on the lotion, I laid it in the direction I wanted my edges to go. So it's almost giving Boricua, okay? So yeah, I definitely recommend. I can't wait to see what this is like on my daughter's hair. My daughter has 4C hair, so I can't wait to see what that is going to do to her hair when I straighten it. Yes, I just think that I have so much bounce, so much body. It's so shiny. Like, I am literally obsessed. Of course, all of the products that I use today are going to be listed in the description box below. My flat iron, the Design Essentials collection, as well as Lotta Body. So if you want to get it for yourself, you can. You can also get Lotta Body just about any beauty supply store or any wrapping lotion. You can get that there. But yeah, so I do thank you guys for staying on so long. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you do take some time and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl before you go. And I will see you in the next video.